Hello and welcome to Pabbly Chat Flow. In this video, we are going to understand how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your car wash business. So as the owner of a car wash business, I receive a lot of queries on my WhatsApp number. And now here my objective is that I want to instantly reply to these queries using a chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to build a WhatsApp chatbot to reply to these queries instantly using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So to learn more about this chatbot in detail, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot for your car wash business to handle booking, share service details, and answer customer queries automatically. It's a great way to save time and offer a smoother experience to your customers. Alright, so as you all know that I run a car wash business and I often get a lot of customer inquiries through WhatsApp, things like booking appointments, asking for service detail, or checking prices. So now handling all of these manually takes a lot of time. So I decided to build a WhatsApp chatbot that can automatically reply to the common questions, help customers book a slot, and even share offers. So now even when I'm busy or after business hours, my chatbot handles customer communication smoothly and professionally. It saves me time and helps me give a better experience to my customers. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the chatbot that I've already created using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chat Flow for my car wash business. And now firstly here in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created by simply sending a WhatsApp message to my WhatsApp number. So for that let me take you to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've connected with my Pabbly Chat Flow account. So here let's suppose that I am a customer and I'm going to drop a text over here on this chat as hello, and here you can see we have received a text over here that says welcome to Shiny Rides Car Wash. How can I assist you today? And here we have received three options such as book an appointment, our service, and check our prices. So here I'm going to select book an appointment and it says awesome, let's get your ride booked for a fresh wash. When would you like to bring your car in for its spa day? So here I'm going to select a random time. And it says sweet, please share your name so we can make this appointment all about you. So I'm going to share my name over here. Then it says, got it, your appointment is set, get ready to roll in style. So with this, we have successfully booked an appointment over here. Alright, so with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that I've just created using Pabbly Chat Flow. Alright, so now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up entire WhatsApp chatbot using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So here to access the Pabbly Chat Flow account, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers. And it will direct you to the Pabbly Chat Flow's home page. Alright, so here on my screen you can see Pabbly Chat Flow's landing page and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chat Flow for free today. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build a WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to use Pabbly Chat Flow and from here I'm going to click on this access now. So now here on my screen you can see Pabbly Chat Flow's dashboard. And here before moving forward with the connection, you might be thinking that what is basically Pabbly Chat Flow. So here let me give a brief about it. So Pabbly Chat Flow is a tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their websites and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions, and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. People use Pabbly Chat Flow to save time, improve customer support, and engage visitors 24/7. It's easy to set up, customizable, and helps businesses provide quick responses, which keeps customers happy and boosts conversions. Alright, so this was all about Pabbly Chat Flow. And now here you can see I've already set up my Pabbly Chat Flow account. And here if you wish to learn about how to set up a Pabbly Chat Flow account step by step, then you can check out the video uploaded on our YouTube channel for the same. And here let me give a brief that how you can add your WhatsApp number in the Pabbly Chat Flow account. So for that you need to click on this add WhatsApp number given over here in the top right corner, and then it will ask you for the Meta Access token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So here to get all these details, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account using Meta for developers. And once you're going to set up that account, automatically you are going to get all these details. And once you're going to add all these details over here, then you need to click on this next, and then automatically your WhatsApp number is going to be added over here in Pabbly Chat Flow account. So here to learn about all these steps in detail, you can check out the video that is already uploaded uploaded on our YouTube channel. Alright, so now moving back, and here you can see that Pabbly Chatflow offers some amazing features that are available in the left sidebar. Alright, so here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in the detail, then you can check out the dedicated videos uploaded on our YouTube channel and attached on our landing page as well. Alright, so here I'm going to give a brief about each of the features. So let's start with Inbox. So here by using this particular feature, you can see the entire WhatsApp chats of your WhatsApp number, and then comes the contacts. So by using this particular feature, you can add the contacts, or you can manage the contact list for your WhatsApp number. Then comes the team queues. So by using this particular feature, you can see the team members of your Pabbly Chatflow account, and also you can see the status of the chat assigned to each of the team member. Then comes the template. So by using this particular feature, you can create the templates for your WhatsApp messaging, and also you can manage a template list for the same. Then comes the broadcast. So by using this particular feature, you can create, schedule or send broadcast message for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the flows. So by using this particular feature, you can create WhatsApp chatbots for your business. And then comes the settings. So here you can see under settings we have received so many options. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to this feature. And then lastly comes the get help option. So by using this particular option, you can clear your doubts regarding Pabbly Chatflow account. Alright, so this was all about the Pabbly Chatflow, and now here to build a new chatbot for our business, we are going to use the feature by Pabbly Chatflow, that is flows, given over here. And now here at this flow builder, you can see all the existing flows that I've already created using Pabbly Chatflow till now. And now here we are going to create a new WhatsApp chatbot for our business, and for that I'm going to add a new flow over here by clicking on this add flow button given on the top right corner. And now firstly I'm going to give a name to my flow. So here I'm going to give the name as WhatsApp chatbot for car wash business. Alright, so now after giving a name to my chatbot, it is asking me to set up the flow start. So in this flow start, I need to set up the flow start, that means the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can see you can select the trigger as keywords, regex or template. So here if you wish to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot through a template, then you can choose the template from your template library, or you can select the trigger type as keywords and regex also. So here we will choose trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. So here we will add keywords like hey, hello, hi. So these are some basic keywords, and now firstly I'm going to type that keyword, and then I'm going to press an enter to make it a valid keyword. Alright, so I'm going to add other keywords as well. And now whenever a user sends a message with these words, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But here people type messages in different ways. One person might say, tell me about the car wash services, while another might write, I want to book an appointment. So instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that means the regular expressions, to create a smarter trigger. Then the chatbot will detect the common inquiry words regardless of variations or capitalization. And once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. So here you need to enter the regex to match the substring trigger, and here you need to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex. So it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you need to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex only. Alright, so here I've selected my trigger as keywords, and now after setting up my trigger, I'm going to move to the next step. That means I'm going to add the text that I want to send to my customer once my chatbot is triggered. Alright, so for that I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as welcome to Shiny Rides Car Wash. How can I assist you today? So here you can see I've used asterisks over here for the company name. So here I've used these asterisks to make the text bold. Alright, so now after entering the welcome text, I'm going to add quick replies button over here with this message box to set up this chatbot further. Alright, so here I'm going to add the text such as book an appointment, our services and check our prices. So with this, we have successfully completed our message box as well. So now after setting up this welcome message box, I'm going to set up the chatbot further for each of the quick reply button added over here in this message box. So let's start with book an appointment. So for that, I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as let's get your ride booked for a fresh wash. When would you like to bring your car in for its spa day? Alright, so here I've added the text, and now I'm going to add quick replies button over here where I'm going to add the text as the timing such as 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. and 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Alright, so here I've added some time intervals over here. And now here after this, what I want is that once my customer is going to select any of the time interval, then automatically I want to know about the customer name for the confirmation of the booking. So here I need to ask the customer for the name, and for that I'm going to add an action button over here. So here I'm going to select this actions option, and from here I'm going to add a ask a question message box. And here in this question message box, I'm going to enter the text as, "Sweet, please share your name so we can make the appointment all about you." Alright, so now after asking about the name in the message, I'm going to select the contact custom field. So here if you want to learn that what is this contact custom field, then you can check out the video dedicated to this specific feature. And now here I've already created my contact custom field for the name with the name full name. So I'm going to select that particular contact custom field, and here if you wish to access this contact custom field, then you can access this from the settings option, and here you can see the contact custom fields option. Alright, so now you have to selecting the contact custom field. I'm going to select my format for the field as text, and then it is asking me to enter the number of attempts. So I'm going to add the number of attempt as 1, and then here it is asking me to enter the validation error message. So here I don't want to enter the validation error message, so I'm going to leave it blank, and with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. So now I'm going to connect all these 3 quick replies button to this message box, and once my customer is going to answer the question with their name, then automatically I want to send another text to that customer, and for that I'm going to add a text box over here. And here in the text box, I'm going to enter the text as, "Got it, your appointment is set, get ready to roll in style." Alright, so with this we have successfully completed the setup of this quick reply button. Now here after setting up this quick reply button, let's move to the next quick reply button, that is our services. So for that I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as, "Let's make your car look brand new. Here's what we offer at Shiny Rides." So this is the basic wash detail, then we have offered the premium wash detail, and then we have offered the deluxe wash details, and then it says which service is your car craving today. And now you have to entering the text over here. I'm going to add quick replies button with these services named such as basic wash, premium wash, and the deluxe wash. Alright, so now you have to adding the services name. I'm going to add another text box for these quick reply button, where I'm going to add the text as, "Would you like to log this in for your next appointment?" That means we are going to confirm from the customer that whether he or she wants to continue with the appointment or not. Alright, so now after adding the text like this, I'm going to add quick reply buttons as, "Yes please, maybe later," and back to menu. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. And now here I'm going to set up the chatbot for these quick reply button. So if my customer is going to select yes please, then automatically I want my customer to get a text for selecting the time range. So for that I'm going to connect this quick reply button to this message box, and then comes the maybe later. So for that I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to add the text as, "No worries, let me know when you're ready to give your car the shine it deserves." Alright, so here I've added the text, and then I'm going to add a single quick reply button over here with the text as, "Back to menu." Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this entire chatbot for this quick reply button as well. Now we are left with the last quick reply button, that is check car prices. So for that I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to add the text with all our services and the prices. And now after adding all the message details, I'm going to add a quick reply button, where I'm going to add the text as, "Book an appointment," and then I'm going to add another quick reply button, and here I'm going to add the text as "back to menu." Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. And now I'm going to connect this book an appointment quick reply button to the message box of book an appointment. That means the time range, where the customer is going to select the time range, and then comes the back to menu. So I'm going to connect all back to menu quick reply button to the main message box first. And with this we have successfully set up an entire WhatsApp chatbot for our car wash business using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. Alright, so now you have to creating this amazing chatbot. We are going to save this flow by clicking on the save button available on the top right corner, and you can see it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully saved this flow. Alright, so now you have to creating this chatbot. We are going to test this chatbot by simply sending a WhatsApp message to this WhatsApp number. So for that, let me take you back to my WhatsApp, and here I'm going to clear all the chats to start it from the scratch. Alright, so now here again let's suppose that I'm a customer, and I'm going to drop a text to this chat as, "Hey, And it says, welcome to Shiny Rides Car Wash. How can I assist you today? And here we have received 3 quick replies button. So let's select our services right now. And then it has sent a message with all the services available. And it says, which service is your car craving today? So I'm going to select a random service. And then it says, would you like to log this in for your next appointment? So I'm going to select maybe later. And then it says, no worries, let me know when you are ready to give your car the shine it deserves. And then we have received the option of back to menu. And here you can see we are back to the main message. So again, I'm going to select our services, and then I'm going to select a random wash, and then I'm going to select yes please. And then it is asking me to select the time range. So I'm going to select a random time range. And then it says, sweet, please share your name so we can make this appointment all about you. So here I'm going to share the random name. And then it says, got it, your appointment is set, get ready to roll in style. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this quick reply button. Now let's click on this check our prices. And here you can see it has sent the prices with these services and with the option as book an appointment or back to menu. So I'm going to click on this back to menu. And we are back to the main message. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot. Alright, so now let me take you back to the flows. And now here let me show you the amazing feature that Pabbly Chat Flow offer is of inbox. So we are going to access the inbox given the left side bar. And here in the inbox, you can see all the WhatsApp chats of your WhatsApp number. And here you can also see the entire chat between the WhatsApp chatbot and your customer. And also you can see the status of the message as sent, delivered or read. And not only this, you can also see the customer details available in the right side panel over here. Alright, so this was all about the inbox. Now let's move back to the flows. And now here let me summarize the amazing chatbot that we just right now created. So here we have selected our trigger as keywords, and then we have added a welcome message for our customers with the quick reply button as book an appointment, our services and check our prices. And then we have set up this chatbot further for each of the quick reply button. So firstly, for the book an appointment, we are asking the customer to select the time range, and then we are asking the customer to send the customer name. And once the customer is going to send the customer name, automatically we are going to confirm the booking. And then comes the our service quick reply button. So with this we have added a text where we have added the services we offer with the option to select any of the service. And once the customer is going to select the service, we are going to confirm the thought. And after this message we have added the quick reply button for yes please, maybe later or back to menu. And here for the maybe later we have added a different text. Alright, so this was all about our service. Then comes check our prices. So here in this quick reply button we have added our services with the pricing detail and the quick reply button as book an appointment and back to menu. Alright, so this was all about the chatbot that we just right now created for our car wash business using Pabbly Chat Flow. Alright, so this was all about this video. Now if you wish to learn about some other chatbots in future, then you need to stay tuned on our YouTube channel. And also if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chat Flow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. I hope you understand the entire chatbot. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chat Flow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Try Pabbly Chat Flow for free now.